Hungary threatens 8 years in prison for unauthorized crypto trading. Crypto license. Hungary. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Hungary's sudden pivot to criminalizing unlicensed crypto activity marks one of the EU's most aggressive stances yet, transforming everyday trading into a potential legal minefield. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Journalist. Hassan Shittu. Journalist. Hassan Shittu. About author. Hassan, a cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism, brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has appeared in Author Profile, Share, Copied, Add Disclosure, Add Disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Last updated 3 hours ago. Why trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital. Up to 8 years in prison. Now the price of trading crypto on unlicensed exchanges in Hungary, where new laws have criminalized unauthorized activity and forced major fintechs to freeze services for millions. The new rules, which came into effect on July 1st, sent shockwaves through the fintech sector, with industry players warning of a potential mass exodus and legal chaos for investors. Hungary criminalizes unlicensed crypto use with penalties up to 8 years. Hungary's updated criminal code now defines 2 new offenses: abuse of crypto assets and providing unauthorized crypto asset exchange services. Under the new law, anyone caught trading cryptocurrencies on unlicensed platforms could face up to 2 years in prison. The penalties increase with the size of the transaction, up to 3 years for trades exceeding HUF 50 million, about $140,000, and up to 5 years if the value is over HUF 500 million. Also, the legislation warned service providers operating without government-approved licenses of the harshest penalties, including prison terms of up to 8 years. The sweeping changes have caught both companies and investors off guard. Local publication Telex reports that approximately 500,000 Hungarians have invested in crypto with legally declared income, but under the vague new framework, many of those users could now be criminalized for past or ongoing activity. There's a real risk that regular users could be prosecuted simply for managing their investments the same way they always have, said a Telex source. The law took effect before any compliance guidelines were published. No one knows how to follow it. Notably, the Hungarian Financial Supervisory Authority, SCTFH, has 60 days to establish enforcement and compliance mechanisms. But for now, the legal environment remains murky. The legislation also requires all crypto transactions, whether converting tokens into fiat or other tokens, to be validated by an authorized validator, issuing a compliance certificate. Transactions without this certificate are considered legally void, and engaging in such activity can trigger criminal penalties. Although the law provides room for exemptions below a certain threshold, no such exceptions have yet been formalized. Revolut freezes crypto in Hungary as new law clouds compliance path. This uncertainty has already led to a major player pulling out of the Hungarian market. On July 9, Revolut, the London-based neobank with more than 2 million Hungarian users, announced a suspension of all cryptocurrency services until further notice. While users can still transfer existing holdings to external wallets, purchases, deposits, and staking services have been currently frozen. The company stated the pause was necessary to ensure full compliance with domestic law and the European Union's new crypto regulatory framework, MiCA. Revolut is currently pursuing MiCA authorization through its EU entity, but Hungary's additional licensing requirement from the national bank complicates matters. As of July 7, the company also froze crypto balances entirely, disabling even token sales. This move is temporary, Revolut emphasized, adding that it is working hard to resume services once the regulatory path becomes clearer. Hungary goes rogue on crypto policy as EU pushes unified regulation. The timing of Hungary's crackdown is particularly notable given that the EU's markets in crypto assets. MiCA regulation also came into effect on July 1. MiCA is intended to create a unified legal framework for crypto across the EU, and several member states have delayed implementation to allow smoother transitions. Hungary, however, has diverged sharply from this coordinated approach. It's incomprehensible why Hungary would implement such restrictive rules just as the EU is establishing unified standards, said one analyst in a Forbes report. This creates enormous legal uncertainty and discourages fintech innovation. However, the crackdown appears part of a broader trend in Hungarian policymaking, with the government also enacting restrictions on foreign corporate ownership and introducing laws that funnel certain citizen donations to the state. Critics argue these moves disproportionately affect urban, educated voters less likely to support the ruling Fidesz party. While enforcement against global exchanges such as Coinbase or Binance is considered unlikely, Hungarian registered firms and domestic users are now operating under legal risk. This creates a paradox in which foreign platforms may continue serving Hungarian clients with little consequence, while local companies face possible prosecution. Adding to the restrictive climate, the Hungarian Central Bank on July 3 announced it will exclude cryptocurrencies from its official reserves, citing volatility and a lack of regulatory clarity. We must prioritize stability and reliability in our reserve holdings, the bank stated, reaffirming its preference for traditional assets like gold and fiat currencies. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. Google's Gemini AI predicts the price of XRP, Picoin and Cardano by the end of 2025. ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Solana and Picoin by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction. Investors on high alert for July 14, 2025. What's next for XRP? Press releases. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Solana and Shiba Inu by the end of 2025. Press releases. Crypto price prediction today, July 11th. XRP, Picoin, Dogecoin. Price analysis. Picoin price prediction. Crashing toward all-time low. Is PI going to $0? 3 days ago. By Hassan. Best crypto to buy now in July 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 5 days ago. By Alan Draper. Best new cryptocurrencies to invest in July 14, 2025. 4 hours ago. By Inesis Tavares. 13 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 6 hours ago. By Alan Draper. 11 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in July 2025. 2 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 4 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 3 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 12 hours ago. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. July 5, 2025. by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025, by Ben Bedo.